today I got this box and now I'm going to open it. It holds my camera that I got from my grandfather inside. So I'm going to open it. Let's see. Other side.
So when you're cutting, cut this way.
Oh. I'm going to cut from the other side.
Yeah, I think that might be easier.
Yeah, that's much easier.
Okay, and then do it on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
You can't forget about that. And then
Open it.
no. Now you got to cut a little bit down here so you can slice it down the middle.
Can I cut the...
Yeah, you can. Go ahead. It's your unboxing.
I'm going the wrong way. It is hard to unbox it. I remember the last time I tried to unbox something, the scissors broke.
Oh no. Well, next time we'll have to
Scissors like snapped in half.
okay. You're getting there.
Yeah, by a little bit.
Let's bring it this way. There you go.
Almost there. Hope I don't break the scissors this time. Finally, I opened it without breaking scissors.
Okay.
That way. And open this way. Some of the bags. Might want to pop them later. And the camera.
Let's see. What is it? What brand is it?
It is a Kodak Easy Share.
A Kodak Easy Share. So let's take a look. Kodak Easy Share. Oh, look, it has at the bottom. And this is your first camera. Yeah, your first camera. So,
Can I unbox it?
yeah, you can box it. That's fine.
I'm gonna peel the tape off.
Well, this might take a.
Got it.
You got it? Here. Oh,
There.
that's.
Box it. That was pretty easy taking off the tape. And box it. It has multiple parts. Has this, a little chip.
Is that the chip?
Yes.
Okay.
Has this.
Let's take a look what you're doing.
A lot of
So-
parts. There's the
So,
actual camera.
oh, look at that.
Looks really nice.
And if you can use the scissors if you want to open it, if you can't get through.
This was really boxed up good.
So
Oh,
let's
wait,
take.
Wait, is this supposed to stay on?
You can take it off. That's fine. That's
It's sticky.
yeah.
It's like those times when you have like a wrapper and it like sticks to your hand.
Okay, so let's see the actual camera. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bring it up so I
And it
can.
has the little lens part as well.
Oh yeah. Don't touch the lens though.
Okay.
And then let's see. Look.
I think it needs batteries.
Right, we'll charge it up. And
Yeah,
that's
the charger's here.
right. We'll charge it
What's
up,
this?
and that's the charger. That goes to there.
Wait, where?
This wires. It's like
Well, then
my
what's this?
it's like my camera, and this goes to the computer. So this
Okay. Wait,
good
charger
if you
is-
want to download
So
all
this
your
is,
stuff.
This charges.
Well, that goes from the computer. If you like want to take all the video footage from from the camera,
Yeah.
you hook it to the computer like that. It's like your underwater camera where you also do. Now this is the actual battery. And I mean the actual battery, the charger. So this wire, these wire, yes, connect to here, and you plug it in. Okay.
This is supposed to attach to that.
So I'll explain it once we go through it all.
Okay.
Because this is your first camera. So let's take a look at the camera again. So Kodak.
Press a share button.
A share. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so hold it up so we can take a look at the back. Okay. You have your flash there. You have your OKs over there. You have your zoom at the top, and you have your. It's almost the same as my camera, my good camera.
Yeah.
So, but this
Except for
one's
it doesn't have the.
right.
big
This
part,
one,
and it's smaller.
this one fits in your pocket. And do you have any pockets? Let me see. Look at that. It fits in your
It's like a
pocket.
phone.
Yeah, it's like fits in your pocket.
Oh, wait, I'm putting it upside down.
And who got you this?
Granddad.
Granddad. He got you your Kodak.
Oh, wait. Actually, I think that this is the the photo button, and this is the video button because it has that red dot, and the video usually has like a red dot that flashes on and off, and it says recording or just REC, short for recording.
Okay. Well, hold it up. Hold the camera up like that, and
It's a really good camera.
yeah, I'll show you how to use it.
Yeah.
Anything else
Um.
you want to say to the camera before I shut the camera off?
Well, I want to say thank you to Granddad for the camera. And the other stuff like the charger.
Yeah. Yeah, so did you say thank you, Granddad?
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay. Samuel's first camera at, how old are you?
11.
11. You do have a first camera, your underwater camera, but this is
Yeah.
your second camera.
Yeah. My second, well, my first, like, real, like, actual, like, advanced camera. My first advanced camera. My
That
underwater camera-
doesn't go underwater.
Yeah.
You have to remember that.
Yep.
And I don't know where your underwater camera is, but maybe we'll show that one a little bit later.
I think it's in the drawer.
Yeah,
in my piano.
I don't know where it is right now, because I was gonna put the cameras side to side, but maybe we'll put a clip. Oh, you practicing for a selfie. So, so remember, when you hold it for a selfie, you gotta. There you go. All right, let's close this up because it's 10 minutes.
Yep. Bye.